Vegetables are in season, so beans again tonight? No, no, I'm tired of vegetables. But join me and find out what we can do to preserve vegetables. Hello, warm greetings from the garden, your Kuya here, Romelo. And as you've seen, I'm harvesting my dwarf beans or bichuelas. I think they're called, I forgot the name. I have to go back to the seeds packet. I don't have the recipe today, but I'll be preserving them for the future. I'll be freezing them. So join me at the kitchen and I'll be showing you how to preserve fresh vegetables for months and even years. But this is not enough. Let's continue harvesting. This is not bad for that small plot. Look. You're watching the cooking series. Let's join Romelo and his small kitchen. Let's get on with our task. For this task, we only need water. Boiling water and cold water, as cold as possible. While preparing the beans, we have to remove the veins. Let's boil water. Yeah, same time. Yeah, it is multitasking. The beans are young, so no tough veins yet. We just have to remove both ends. I hope you don't get demotivated by the amount. We'll just be showing one batch. Just one, not the entire harvest. If working on a small batch, you can simply use your nails to pinch the ends, but I found this to be efficient for this relatively big batch. We need to stop the beans from cooking by immersing them in very cold water. That's why we need water. It's not boiling, so we can prepare just one batch. We need this. So we will just have to blanch this. Once it turns bright green, it's ready. You might be wondering, you might be asking, why is there a need to blanch? It is to preserve the texture, the color, and the flavor. Yes, you can directly freeze them, but this is the standard procedure. Even the manufacturers, food companies do this process. But don't forget to deep freeze it lower than -16. And it can last for months or even years. If you're interested in the recipes or in the dishes that I already prepared using frozen vegetables, you can check out my dinding, my mungo with frozen ampalaya leaves, and what else? Chop suey from frozen vegetables. We just have to strain this, put it in a plastic bag and into the freezer. That easy. So into the plastic bag, Just squeeze the air. And into the freezer. You two out there, if vegetables are widely available, especially in the summer, you can buy in bulk and freeze them for the rainy days. Just to illustrate, I have here a bag of frozen string beans from Suriname. So anytime I need string beans or any beans, just open the freezer. I hope you're enjoying what you're watching. This is Channel 1, your channel for growing and cooking and for self-sufficiency. I usually can my tomatoes. This is my tomato sauce that I canned from last year. This year my harvest was not that great, so this was my only harvest. I've frozen my tomatoes. This will be good for sinigang and other sauce-based recipes. There you have it, how to preserve vegetables for months. I'll continue with my task here. I have to leave you for now, and I hope to have you again next time as we bring you more dishes and kitchen tips here on Channel 1. Don't forget, if you prefer travel, perhaps My Barrio My Mundo is for you. And if you enjoyed what you have just seen, don't forget to subscribe and share. Until next time, and see you on our next video.